Tired of juggling back-to-back cooking cycles and ending up with lukewarm sides by the time the main course is finally ready? If you're tired of the air fryer dance, where you cook one thing, then wait for another, you need to see the Ninja Foodi DZ401 10-quart 6 and 1 DualZone XL Air Fryer. This is the ultimate time-saver kitchen upgrade that turns your dinner prep from a stressful chore into an effortless, synchronized event. What makes this beast a game-changer is the DualZone technology. With 2 completely independent 5-quart baskets, you can cook 2 different foods in 2 different ways at the same time. The Smart Finish feature is the real magic here. You can program the baskets to finish at the exact same moment, so your main dish and your sides are hot, crispy, and ready to serve together. If you're cooking for a crowd or just want to knock out an entire meal in one go, the Match Cook button syncs both baskets to the same settings, giving you a massive 10-quart total capacity. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a 6-in-1 versatility powerhouse. You can air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and even dehydrate, all with a wide temperature range that handles everything from delicate veggies to 8-pound batches of wings. The cyclonic fans and rapid heaters ensure your food comes out perfectly crispy with up to 75% less fat than traditional deep fry. And because it's a Ninja, it's built to be practical. The baskets and crisper plates are non-stick and dishwasher safe, so the cleanup is just as fast as the cooking. Whether you're a busy parent trying to get a healthy meal on the table, a meal prepper looking to speed up your routine, or just someone who loves the convenience of crispy, delicious food without the oil, this is the machine to have. It's large, it's smart, and it's arguably the most efficient way to manage a home-cooked dinner in 2026. If you are ready to master your kitchen and stop playing the waiting game with your dinner, you can find the best available pricing for the Ninja Foodi DZ401 by clicking the link below.